Hi there, have you ever wondered what happens in a volcano erupt?
Today, we will talk about volcanoes and what happens when they erupt. I'll explain it in a very simple way so it's easy to follow. Let's get started.
Earth surface is made of deep pieces, like a chunk of tectonic plates. These plates move slowly. Sometimes they push into each other or fall apart, making cracks. When this happens, hot molten rock or magma can come up through the cracks and the volcano forms.
What is volcano?
A volcano is like a big mountain, but inside it's a super hot melted rock called magma. Magma is like a super hot melted rock that's really sticky. Sometimes it wants to escape from beneath their surface and burst out as lava. During a volcanic eruption, when it does, that's called volcanic eruption.
Let's pretend this soda bottle is a volcano. There's a gas inside it, just like mine. If I shake it up, and I open it, push! That's how volcanoes erupt. The gas escapes and everything comes rushing out.
Mountains or it is called lava. Lava is very hot and glows red and orange. It can flow slowly or shoot out fast, like fireworks. If there's more gas in the lava, it explodes bigger. Lava flows slowly and creates beautiful rivers of heat that can keep flowing for a long time over. Volcanoes are very processes. They blast as gas and drops into the sky, making loud and powerful. Yeah, when you mix vinegar and soda in the